New into inventory at JLD Auto Group is this 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Super Sport convertible. This example is finished in Madeira Maroon Exterior paint over a two-tone black and color exterior matched maroon vinyl interior. We'll get a look inside this one in just a few moments. This car has right around 71,000 miles showing on the odometer, and of course with these classics that is essentially a believe it as you may statistic. This specific example was a frame-off restored Chevelle and is a real deal 138 VIN-coded Super Sport. This car is powered by the 327 V8 small block, mated to a 4-speed manual transmission. We notice, of course, those Super Sport wheels there, which, of course, were distinct to the Super Sport trim level, as was Coil Spring suspension at all 4 corners, and then lastly, a special Super Sport grille in addition to, of course, all of the Super Sport badging inside and out. This car also sports power steering, which is a very nice convenient feature to be able to drive this one around town on a whim. And making your way inside, we notice that two-tone vinyl interior, as mentioned earlier, individual seats for the front and a bench seat there for the rear. We take note of that chrome 4-speed shift lever there in the center console. The dashboard sports an electronic clock right in the center of the gauge cluster with a sweeping second hand. That was another special touch for the Super Sport trim level for this year. Also present is added body insulation and a refined suspension for the 65-year, just helping out with ride comfort and audio levels. So, as always, with our vehicle previews, with this one, we will get a startup clip and a look underneath the hood at the engine bay.